education and learning. That's me.
That's not... Oh my god, really? You're making me play this game? Yep, Overhaul, see ya. What a racket. Hey guys, I'm Overhaul. Let's play this game. Baldi's Basics, Education and Learning.
Oh, hi. Welcome to my schoolhouse.
What the fuck happened to your arm? Ugh, I think I'm gonna be sick. What a
Time
racket.
for everybody's favorite
I...
subject.
Oh my
Math.
god.
It's a good
Just
thing
keep
you're
flapping your
here.
gums, I'm gonna get
You
sick.
might get something special. Problem, you're doing fantastic. Good one. Problem 3. You
I
got
may be
it.
a germaphobe, but I'm not stupid. Even though some people say I am.
Your prize. A shiny.
That quarter probably has... No, I'm not even gonna bother. Whatever. Oh my god.
Problem 1.
5,
You're doing
7.
great.
What the
You
fuck?
got it.
What in the
Problem 2.
hell? What the fuck? What? What a...
Lots
Okay, what?
of times.
Oh my god, that's a racket. Oh my god. Shut up. Okay, well, I knew that was wrong because this one seems impossible. Alright. Well, it's quiet now. I don't like that. What the? He's that way. Going away from you. I'm gonna take this quarter after all. I wish I had gloves. But, you know.
I wanna play with somebody.
Really?
One, two, three, four. Wow, that's great. Let's play again sometime soon. Right. Ready? Go.
He's gonna
One,
catch me.
two, three,
So unfair.
four. Wow, that's great. Let's play again sometime soon.
He's right on my tail. Oh my god, really? Who are you? Oh my god, what are... If I still could use my quirk, I'd blow you to pieces. But then I'd be covered in blood. And that's what I hate about my quirk. I hate that I get covered in blood every time I use it. Don't look at me like that. It's kind of just a result of blowing people up. That's what my quirk can do. It can disassemble things and kill people. If any of you watched my Hero Academia, then you would know. Because in My Hero Academia, I blew up Mag, and I didn't want to kill him, but I did kill him. He tried to kill me. It was self-defense. So you can probably imagine what it's like to blow someone up. I mean, I did it to Ari a few times and I put her back together as I did. So that's a thing. My quirk can be useful, but can also be a pain in the ass.
Looks like it's sweeping time.
The hell was that? Fat Albert? Sounds like Fat Albert. I don't know what the hell it was. What a racket. And all these quirks need to be destroyed as well, by the way. I don't even know why. It's just a pain in the ass. Doug, dab again, and pay. What? Who's Doug? And why the hell is he dabbing? Doesn't sound good. He's over there. Hi. Okay, Fat Albert, I get it. Run, 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 no, 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 no. I gotta go. 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 I'm gonna lock these doors. Hey, principal of the thing. Eat crap, Baldi. Suck it. Like I said, what a racket.
Gotta sweep, sweep, sweep.
Baldi is causing a bit of a racket between me and the everything else. I don't even know. I got no witty remarks, okay? I wish I had a witty remark for this one, but, you know.
Sweep, sweep, sweep.
Yeah, thank you, Fat Albert. We appreciate your service. Okay, I'm gonna wait here for Baldi to go through a door. Actually, that's probably not the best idea. I'm gonna just keep looking for notebooks because Nathan told me that they regenerate stamina before he left. Crying like a little bitch for some reason. You would think he'd be more tough, but he's more of a bitch, if anything. Poor kid.
No running in the hall.
Does that suck? Oh, hey, Baldi.
30 seconds. Detention for you. When will you learn?
When will you fuck off, jackhole? Where is he? He's getting close. That's not good. Oh my god, he's fast. He really is fast. He's gotten faster. Hasn't he gotten faster? Okay. Maybe now I have a chance to juke him. Juke, 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 juke. Sucker.
No running in the hall.
Really, asshole? Come on.
45 seconds. Detention for you.
Jackass. Alright, well that went well. I could say it went better, but, you know, I could have gone better.
Welcome to Baldi.
I'm drinking tea now because, well, I got no reason to be a bad guy anymore, or try to rid the world of quirks, because if I did, I'd still have my arms if I had a reason. But Shigaraki decided to turn him to dust, and, well, you know the rest. I think that's 13, right? Yeah, I thought so. But yeah, Shigaraki turned my arms to dust, and now I can't use my quirk, because my quirk was based on the use of my arms, you know? So without my arms, I can't really do much. Well, I mean, I do have artificial arms, but that doesn't count as well, because it was like, if I could use my normal hands, I'd be able to use my quirk, but I have robot hands now, artificial hands, so I can't really do anything. So I'm just about quirkless. You little, oh my god.
Go! 1, 2, 3, 4. Wow, that's great. Let's play again sometime soon.
So Baldi is now chasing me. Who the fuck is whistling?
I am coming.
Was Baldi the one whistling?
No running in the hall.
What the? I wasn't even. Oh my god, you asshole.
Detention for you.
Ah,
You should know better.
go fuck yourself. Is this all luck based? Probably. God, this game is so dumb. It's causing what? I mean, it is quite popular for God knows why.
1. Oops, you messed up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wow, that's great. Let's play again sometime
now Baldi's right behind me.
No running in the hall.
What the fuck?
30 seconds.
Really?
Detention
What a
for you.
racket.
Your parents will hear about this one.
Oh, what a racket. I don't even care. What a racket. This is such a pain in the ass. Yeah, this game has caused quite a stir with people. I mean, it's very popular for God knows why. Maybe because he's just a Slender Man thing or something. I don't know. All I know is that he's a dick. Shh.
Great, Jaws. That's right. Problem 2. Hey, good
Shut up, Baldi. My god. Stop causing some bullshit. You're causing bullshit.
You did great. Come here and get your prize. A shiny quarter.
Shut up. Stop causing a pain in the ass.
Problem 1. 0. My good ones. Problem 2. 7 plus 8.
It's probably 15. I'm just trying to think in my head, but it's probably not working. Because I don't know this one. Oh, come on! Let's just go right. Because right's always right. I could have done better, but then I got caught by the principal because of his dipstick ass. Dipstick ass? What the fuck does that even mean? I don't know what I'm saying right now. I'm too angry right now.
I am coming, ready or no, here I come.
You can try it.
I hug people for all eternity.
You're not hugging me for all of eternity. I don't need that. Nathan might need a hug, though. Being a little bitch and all.
Right. Go. 1,
You're so annoying.
3.
You're just like Ari when she runs away.
Oh, no.
And I always have to catch her. Because if I'd never caught her, I would never be able to get that gun to use that
No
quirk.
running in the hall.
To erase quirks. Well, I was in the cafeteria, you prick. I was in the cafeteria, asshole. God damn it, what a racket. But yeah, when Mirio got hit with the bully, he couldn't use his quirk, which was quite funny. Started me the upper hand, but regardless, he still kept fighting, thinking that he had the slimmest chance. So that can probably explain some things on how I felt about that.
I don't want to play with no more.
Oh my god, what a racket.
Welcome to Baldi.
This is gonna be my last go. This is because I'm sick of this. Yeah, whatever. Hi, jackass.
Now it's time for everybody.
Do you even live here? Probably not.
Good one.
Okay, I almost screwed up because of those stupid notifications. I can't believe Nathan hasn't asked for comfort from them. Valentine's Day.
Here and get your prize.
Nathan, why do you have a soda? Duh. I'm underage, so I can't really drink beer, so this is the best I can do. Wow, you're being such a bitch today. Can you blame me, Overhaul? You have a point. But that doesn't mean you should just be depressed about it. Maybe you should see if someone, I don't know, actually likes you back. I don't know. Every girl I've asked has kind of rejected me. Wow. Aren't you just a sack of shit? Hey, you don't have a girlfriend either, Overhaul, and you never did, so fuck off. Yeah, whatever.
1,
Look, you can't just ignore your pain. I can try my best. Even though you'll fail. Look, man, I don't even know what your problem is, but you should just get over yourself. Get over my... Dude, screw you. Yeah, whatever. You can just not talk to me if you're gonna be like that. Look, I know you have some tough history with women, but, you know, some things happen. You know nothing about me. I don't even know. What do these do? What the... No idea what that did. Nathan, if you're gonna just be a little bitch, you can just go. Yeah, that's what I was planning on doing anyway. Later, Overhaul. Man, what a racket. Where is he? Where the hell? What the... I don't even know what that was. No! Oh my god.
1, 2, 3, 4. Well,
No. 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 Piss off, you piece of shit. Get it! God damn. Damn, I don't even know. I'm probably screwed at this point. I only got 4 notebooks. Whatever, I'm done. If you guys like this video, let me know in the comments. And if you want me to play this fucking thing again, let me know and I will. Until then, this is Overhaul. Peace out, y'all.